My name is Srishti Shinde, roll number 1907 from FI BSc Biotechnology. Today I am going to present a presentation on concept of environmental genomics. Environmental genomics is an advanced branch of biology. It deals with the study of genetic material directly obtained from environmental samples. These samples can be soil, water, air, or sediments. This field helps us understand the diversity, structure, and function of organisms present in natural environments without growing them in the laboratory. Definition of environmental genomics. Environmental genomics is defined as the study of DNA and RNA collected from environmental sources. It mainly focuses on microorganisms. This method is also known as metagenomics. The major advantage of this approach is that it allows the study of organisms that cannot be cultured in laboratory conditions. The main concept of environmental genomics is the analysis of the collective genetic material of all organisms present in a particular environment. It helps in identifying different types of organisms and understanding their biological functions. This provides deep insight into ecosystem processes at the molecular level. This diagram shows the workflow from DNA sequencing to genome assembly and ecological interpretations. Need for environmental genomics. Most organisms present in nature cannot be grown in laboratory conditions. Traditional microbiology studies only a small fraction of organisms. Environmental genomics overcomes this limitation by directly analyzing DNA from the environment. This gives a complete and accurate picture of biodiversity. Introduction to environmental genomics. Environmental genomics is an interdisciplinary field. It combines genomics, molecular biology, ecology, and bioinformatics. It helps researchers study organisms in their natural habitats and understand how they react with the environment in a more realistic and comprehensive way. Environmental Genomics Laboratory. An environmental genomics laboratory is specially designed to process environmental samples. It includes separate areas for sample collection, DNA extraction, PCR amplification, and sequencing. Strict protocols are followed to avoid contamination during experiments. Laboratory instruments. The laboratory uses advanced instruments such as centrifuges, PCR machines, gel electrophoresis units, and next-generation sequencing platforms. Deep freezers are used for sample storage. Bioinformatics tools are also used to analyze and interpret large genomic data sets. You can briefly point at the instrument shown in the image. Genetic ecology. Genetic ecology is the study of relationship between genes and environmental factors. It explains how genetic variation helps organisms adapt to changing environments.